it's okay to cry, 'cause you're not alone. Go find yourself a home to feel warm and feel loved. My bed is free tonight, just come and hold me tight. You're all that I need, just give me it please. It started with a kiss, hope it could be more than this. You're all that I need, just give it to me please. Just give it to me please.
They should just like allow you to design your intro into a match. You know, in-game audio, music, proximity chat, etc. I want to see what other people's like, what theirs would be. You know, that's mine. What's yours? You think you're more hot shottish than the two times? Then prove it. Let me give you a little update regarding CSGO. It's finally starting to kind of click, starting to come around just a little bit. You know what I mean, Chan? Just started clicking at the tail end of the previous stream. It's coming back.
Trying to find someone to guide me, gazing up at the stars. Tell me, how have you been?
One guy landed over here, one guy landed up the hill. Those are the two closest. So we'll just keep our eye on them. We'll keep our eye on them. 6 time, why not? Why not? A long time ago, I never knew myself. Now my son Pantera, for those that are. I mean, this is how tuned in we are right now. Woo! We're locked in today. We're locked in. We're locked. I'm looking for a 4-time. If I find a 4-time, it's over with. Here they come. Here they trickle in. Oh, let them trickle. Let them trickle. Let them. Did I spot someone right here? Right behind that rock? No. Vamos. Boom, 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 boom. Too much time already. Too much time. Boom, boom, boom. 8 time. Yeah, why not? Throw it in the back pocket, huh? We might get some traffic coming through here. Remember, the objective is to win. Is that, like, that's it. You know? That's it. Oh. Guess you don't need it. Looking for ammo. It's been about 2 weeks since we won. And to me, because I've never been in that position, you know, I'm usually just winning. If not daily, weekly. Not hourly. I'm just always winning. But now that we're about a week of no wins, a week and a half, this is territory I've never even seen. I gotta be honest. I just need the 4-time. How long that ADS speed is, man. I don't like it. I think this is where that dude landed. It is. That's an airdrop. 4-player. CSGO win. When you shut your mouth up. Sorry. If you have a little bit of patience, we'll eventually get to the arena and we'll fire up CSGO. I appreciate your interest. Thank you. I appreciate your interest. Boom, 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 boom. I spotted a real player. I spotted a real player. I spotted a real player. Through the trees. Waste, huh? I can't see this. This. There he is. Jesus. Yeah, I just don't like the 6 time. 8 times sometime. It just depends on... the map. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Oh, the real player right there. Got ourselves a real player. And I like that. I do. Ooh, what you doing sneaking around, huh? It's a little crouch walker. Yeah, let's switch up vests. That's exactly what I wanted. Get your fuck... ah! That one hurt, didn't it? That one hurt, didn't it? Didn't that one hurt? Because by the time you're done healing, I'm already transitioned and rotated to a position you're just not going to be able to believe. Welcome. Welcome. I originally wanted to get to this mountain right here. Because what we're going to do, we're going to play this entire ridgeline. Especially as they trickle in. They're going to trickle in from the north. We just have to clear this out first. Oh yeah, this is going to be a nice one. Mm-hmm. Because eventually I want to get up to this corner. Because let me show you. You get up to this corner. You got all these people coming from right here. Boot camp. From earlier, Paradise Resort. You see, it's a PUBG 101 guide. Right, for free. You're welcome. Let me show you. Let me show you. Here we are. You see? I want real players, not C++. I gotta get up here. There's one. Sniper. I don't know where the sniper's at. That's a C++ right next to me. Sniper's gonna come right up this little backside. Nah, where are you, sniper? Where are you, sniper? You're gonna play the zone? Is that what you're gonna do? Oh, you moved over to the left. I'm gonna look at this guy. There he is. Chalk that up as a kill. I gotta hit 2 of these. We gotta go, right? Yep. And we gotta cross the fucking bridge. That sucks, man. That's a bad rotation for us. I gotta get to this bridge, or at least work the bridge. Got a C++ to my left. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Got a guy right here on the rock. This might be a player, actually. This guy's watching a stream. That's fine. Maybe he's not. Maybe he's not. Just really alert. He got me. Yeah, he got me.